Hello, this is Joseph with Allied Air. We're currently looking inside the electrical compartment of our 7AH1RE air handler, and today we're going to talk about the E163 alert code. In this application, the 163 refers to the R power, so our 24 volt to our board, being inconsistent. If we look, the R connects to the top of the board in a 4-pin plug. Our R and our C are at the top, our red and our blue. With the cable, it then routes the red wire, the R, routes back to a 3-amp fuse that's in line, all the way back to the transformer. If we're seeing inconsistent power, the first place to start would be to turn power off to the unit, unplug your 4-pin harness, and get your multimeter ready. Once you've got your multimeter ready, we'll connect in on the C and the R terminal of the plug and read what is coming through. If we're under the 24 volt or if we're seeing major fluctuations, the next step that we would want to follow is checking our fuse to make sure everything is good there. It is a 2-connection point, so make sure it's in firmly, and then verifying the transformer is connected. If we're still seeing inconsistent power, check your line voltage into your transformer to ensure that our output to the board and connection here is a good steady 24 volt power input. Once we've verified all of that, we can reconnect the entire system, turn power back on, and ensure that the E163 has been cleared.